me tell y'all something. You know what's better than one TMG 1,000 gallon? How about two? All right, so we got Toro Barbecue up in Massachusetts called us up, said, guys, I'm opening up a pit room. I need some firepower. We said, we got you, brother. How about two 1,000 gallons on skids? We just so happen to have two matching silver patina tanks, so they look slick. I'll close some of these doors down so y'all can see. Guys, these are standard TMG 1Ks, all right? No options on these bad boys besides, of course, we got them hooked up with the stainless steel logo on each side, guys. Now, this is how they're gonna be set up in his pit room back to back. So we built one left-hand firebox, one standard. That way you can service them from the same side here. Worked out really nice. Like I said, these are our standard 1,000 gallon, guys. So counterweights, that comes on them. The TMG pits tell truth thermometers, of course. Our badass fabricated hinges, handles. And y'all know how we do our skid packages, they ain't no joke. It's gonna be a bad pit room right here, guys. Let me tell y'all what. Come back down here to the fireboxes, we'll check those bad boys out. That matching silver patina, guys, are on our patina finishes. We just leave the tanks how they are, clean them up real nice, clear coat them. Of course, yes, it will still patina underneath the clear. That's why we call it the patina finish, right? It just makes sense. Now on the firebox in here, inside we've got a 3/8 thick pipe wrapped with insulation. The door's insulated and the front's insulated as well, so holds heat great. Makes these pits very easy to cook on, very efficient. Does not take a huge, massive fire to run these bad boys. And that's it, guys. Toro Barbecue, we appreciate y'all. Can't wait to see these bad boys fired up, cooking some good barbecue. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit or two built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.